Okay, now this is bleeding more as we do that. Is that okay? I mean, it doesn't hurt.
Yeah. What I'll do, it's okay for here. What I'll do is I'll have you call and let them know, because it will probably eventually kind of saturate through that.
Yeah.
And they'll replace it.
Okay.
Okay, so the whole idea of this setup is that the right leg doesn't have enough flexion to, well, can you put your toe against that wall? Like on the inside of it?
Like here?
Yeah, what does that feel like?
It hurts a little.
Okay, so this is the perfect spot.
Okay.
This is where you've got a little bit of discomfort, totally tolerable. You're speaking to me, you're not, there's no effort there, but you feel the stretch, you feel the discomfort. And the whole idea of having the chair by the edge of the door frame is that when you sat, it allowed you space to put the right foot in front. We're gonna hold this position maybe another, I'm looking at the clock, 2 minutes.
Okay.
And then you can drop the toe back into the space of the doorway.
Okay.
And we'll do like 2 rounds like that.
Okay.